Here conditioner. Hello, visible. Green is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In this class, we will discuss about the system design aspects. So system design aspect means. So still now we have discussed about the fiber optic communication. That means fiber optical. What are the different types of fiber optics? What are the different types of the fiber optic, and what are the losses? What are the different that means different types of the fiber optic cable. In next unit, we will discuss about the transmitter section, and next unit means the last one unit is the regarding optical receiver section. So here in this section, we will combine all these components or all these modules that we have studied earlier. So in this section, the main system design aspect, we will add all these modules or components. So for example, if we take this is the main block diagram of the optical fiber communication. The first one is the electrical signal. So that is our information. Then it is given to the light source, or that is called the transmitter, and then it is given to the transmission medium. Then it is given to the optical detector. So here there is a connector between the light source and transmission medium, and as well as the transmission medium to the optical detector. So here that is the connection between the light source and optical fiber, and similarly optical fiber to the optical detector. So we introduce a connector, and similarly if we take the first part, so that is the light source. So that is light source is the, in general we are using the wavelength of the, in general we are using laser diode, especially because high data rate, that's why we are using laser diode. In some cases we are using LED also. So if the laser diode has a wavelength is a 39 nanometer or 15 nanometer, and line width is a 1 nanometer or less than that. And here is the modulation speed compatible to the speed of the in excess of the several gigabit per second. So that is the modulation speed by using laser diode. So here in this case, the transmission part complete, that means whatever the signal we are giving electrical, so that is converted into light source by using the laser or LED diode. So that is in transmitter section. Okay. And second one is the, suppose in this, for example, we are using a laser diode. So laser diode means, so it is a for high data rate we are using laser diode, and for low data rate, especially general in that means in local communication, that is the LAN WAN, that type of, we are using the LED, and long distance communication we are using laser diode. So here that is data in the form of the light. The first data in the form of the light. So that generate a optical pulses. So we are giving a signal, that is electrical signal, that is converted, drives the light source to generate optical pulses. So these optical pulses will be converted in, that means will be coupled, or optical energy is coupled to the transmission medium. So that means which is required a connector, in between a connector. So whatever the optical pulses, optical energy is available at the output of the transmitter, that is given to the transmission medium by using connector. Okay, and here is a that connector, even in the receiver, so that means the optical fiber to the detector or receiver. There also we are using also connector. So connector is nothing but, here the optical energy will be connected to the optical, that is optical fiber, that is channel, and from channel to the receiver section. There we are using the connector. And here next one is the in between. If you take the, for example, if you take the laser diode, Very easy. And next is the, so here, now all of you mute, please mute. Hello. Here the modulation is, for example, here we are using the modulation is, for example, if you send high data, high bit data, that means high speed of data, then here is an external modulator is needed. Otherwise, we need not require external modulator. So, ఎవరో ఇక్కడ నాకు డిస్టర్బెన్స్ చేస్తున్నారు ఒకసారి ఎవరు భవానీ మ్యూట్లో పెట్టేసుకోమా హలో ఆల్రెడీ స్టార్ట్ అయిపోయిందమ్మా నేను ఆల్రెడీ కనెక్ట్ చేశాను కదా నేను కూడా ఫినిష్ లైన్ చేస్తా లైన్ 1 minute. Whichever. Shall we start? Here, will we see the screen? Have you seen? Screen కనిపిస్తుందండి ఒక రెస్పాన్స్ ఇవ్వండి ఓకేనా okay shall we start so here this laser diode so that means that is in transmitter section so here in transmitter section for example you want to transmit high data rate we are using the external modulator otherwise you are using the same modulator because modulation depending upon the modulation speed that means you are using a gigabit per second or megabit per second so depending upon the speed so whether it is a if it is the data is high speed we can connect another the external demodulator circuit in optical that means in the transmitter circuit okay now so here that means here whatever the signal that compatibility to the modulation speed which are in the class of the several gigabit per second so here is the direct modulation if it is a direct modulator the light source having the injection current on your external modulator or maybe the light signal is directly given to the this modulator or if it is the data speed is more that is a high data rate that means you can give the external you can use the external modulator here okay now so next is the if we take the transmission mediation so here this is the transmission that means in between there is a connectors what is the use of the connectors connector is used to convert the optical light from the optical source that is the light source is given to the medium that is the transmission medium and that is nothing but here transmitted optical fiber అంటే ఏదైతే మనం ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ నుంచి సిగ్నల్ ఆప్టికల్ లైట్ ని ఆప్టికల్ కన్వర్ట్ చేసామో ఆ సిగ్నల్ ని బై యూజింగ్ కనెక్టర్ తోటి ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ ఫైబర్ ఆప్టిక్ కనెక్ట్ చేస్తాం అట్లాంటి కనెక్టర్స్ ఈవెన్ ఇన్ ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ నుంచి అంటే ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ సైడ్ ఉంటుంది రిసీవర్ సైడ్ ఉంటుంది సో ఈ కనెక్టర్స్ యాడ్ చేయడం వల్ల వీ హ్యావ్ ద సమ్ లాసెస్ ఆల్సో విల్ బి దేర్ ఓకేనా సో రిమెంబరింగ్ సో where we have the available losses we connector దగ్గర లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ స్పైసెస్ దగ్గర లాస్ ఉంటాయి అండ్ ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ మీడియాలో హ్యావ్ లాసెస్ ఉంటాయి రిసీవర్ సెక్షన్ లో లాస్ ఉంటాయి ట్రాన్స్మిటర్ సెక్షన్ లాస్ ఉంటాయి we will consider all these losses for designing a system of the optical communication. So here in this connectors having here receiver side one connector and the transmitter has a one more connector. So that means how many connectors are there? Only two connectors. It means in generally 0.5 dB for losses for each connector. For example, here the two connector means 2 into 0.5, that is 1 dB losses here. Similarly, if we take the splices, what is the splices? In fiber communication, one connect to one fiber to other fiber, we require splices. So here, that splices is also suffering from losses. For example, each splicer having 1 dB loss. For example, if we have the depending upon the distance between the distance of the optical lane. For example, if we take the 10-kilometer length of the optical fiber cable, so here each 2 kilometer having a because the length of the cable almost not longer, almost longer. So sometimes here the part that means 2 kilometer length is optical. We are connected 2 meter to other 2 meter and other to other. Here the total 10 kilometers. Here is a in between there is a splices. So these slices, if we take the 10 kilometers, there is almost 4 slices are necessary. So each slice having a loss 1 dB. That means here in between 10-kilometer range of the optical fiber, total 4 slices, each having 1 dB. That means 4 into 1 dB, 4 dB loss. So that is a consideration. Okay. Next is these are the splices. So here the transmission fiber and the specialty fibers are tended to signal. That means here loss means attenuation. Loss depends on the type of the fiber you are using. For example, that means we are using the fiber type, that is a single mode or multi-mode fiber or graded index fiber. So depending on these fibers, for example, if we see this here the transmission losses. For example, graded 652 A and B and graded 652 C and D. These are the two different types of the fibers we are using. So in this, that means in 1300 there is a maximum and a minimum losses. For example, in the 1500 nanometers, there is a maximum and minimum losses. Similarly, if we take this G652 C and D, so there is a minimum maximum for both 1300 and 1500 nanometers. So these are the different transmission losses we will consider for designing a optical fiber. Next is if we take the optical detector. So optical detector has a high sensitivity and should support the high data rate and high signal to noise ratio and low bit error rate. So what is the difference between the signal to noise ratio and bit error rate? So here signal to noise ratio is nothing but if we take the